Well, there is a new Zillow quiz out. If you're planning to fix up your home or you're planning and want to do some improvements to resell, you might want to know what actually is better for you to do. So, Randy Chuck, we're going to get you involved in here. And, folks, again, you can play at home. The first one is, which feature could help you sell your home for more money? In fact, 2.2% more. And on a $100,000 home, that's 2,200 bucks. That's not bad. Which feature? A rock garden, a pot filler for a stove, dog door, or keyless entry to your house? Gentlemen, Randy and Chuck.
I'm going to go with keyless entry. Uh,
Yep. Okay. You don't have
because
to
I
explain.
hate pot fillers. I hate the pot fillers.
Keyless entry. Chuck, thank you. Randy, you're up.
I'll go with rock garden.
Okay. While all these features are nice to have, the pot filler came out on top. Whether you feel like
I hate those.
sorry you hate those. Sorry, they're functional, they're a necessity or a luxury item. It ranks number 17 in the list of Zillow for features that help sell a home for more money. So remember that. A pot filler. If you're building a new home, the builder says, you want to put a pot filler in here? Then maybe yes. All right, next. How much does a soapstone countertop typically add to the value of a home? So I'll give you options: 1.3%, 3.5%, 4.2%, or 110%.
No idea what a sandstone is.
A soapstone. Soapstone counter. So it's like granite. It's
I've never heard of it either.
I don't know if it's better or not.
So it's a quarried stone.
So it's real stone.
It's a quarried stone. Yeah, it's in the ground. Yeah. Are you going with a soapstone? It sounds
No,
like
I got
you don't
quartz.
know. Quartz.
Yeah, I got quartz.
All right. So how much do they increase in value? Anybody want to take a guess?
1.3.
1.3. Chuck, you want to grab?
I'll go with that.
All right. So remember this. 3.5% is what a soapstone will bring in a higher sales price. It translates to about $12,500 more for homes that mention soapstone in the listing description. And that's a really important part. Little details like that in a listing description, they make a big difference, which is why the agent that you hire needs to know what items to put in there that hit the hot buttons of the buyers that are looking at your listing. All right, true or false, an outdoor shower can drag down the price of a home. True or false, guys?
I'd say false.
Yeah, I'll say false.
False?
Yeah.
The answer is, with all the time spent outdoors, buyers appear to like the idea of outdoor showering. So it's false. It does actually help you with your price. In fact, Zillow says it will add 2.8% to the purchase price of a home. Yeah, how about that? All right, we'll go one more. Which type of patio material commands the highest premium? Is it stamped concrete, bluestone, red brick? Pick from those three. Patio.
What was that middle one?
Bluestone.
I had Pennsylvania bluestone in my house. It was beautiful.
Yeah, I'm going to go with that.
Yeah.
While patios can be made of many materials, gentlemen, ladies, bluestone, large flat stones,
it's gorgeous,
in a bluish and gray tones are popular with buyers. In fact, buyers who will pay 2.2% of a premium for a home that features it in their listing. So those words count. That buyers will flock to that, the 2.2% of the time.
So can I get it added to the top of my concrete patio?
Well, I don't know that you can.
Yes,
you
you
on
can.
top of it, but you're going to raise the level of your patio. So if you have a door that opens, it's going to be a problem, though.
But mine opens out onto a deck and then onto. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's beautiful. Pennsylvania bluestone. Yes. Yes.
I'll take a look at that.
All right. Good. Well, I hope you've learned something here, folks. Hopefully, Chuck and Randy already knew the bluestone, but hopefully you didn't. We'll do more of this down the road.
Well, question for you, Bob. If I were looking to buy a house, you're my agent, and it says this soapstone on the first one. Would you be explaining to me what the devil that is?
Not only would I explain it to you, but as your agent, I would actually go online, pull some data along with pictures of what it looks like so that you, as the buyer, knows, more importantly, has a feel for what it would look like in the home. Yeah, before you went out and saw it. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yep.